Investment. The U.S. debt has been climbing for decades, but in recent years it has reached a level that is impossible to ignore. Today, the national debt exceeds tens of trillions of dollars, and yet foreign countries continue to buy U.S. Treasury bonds. You might wonder, why would anyone willingly lend money to a country already drowning in debt? The answer is simple: trust. Despite political turmoil, economic uncertainty, and soaring deficits, the U.S. dollar remains the world's reserve currency. Countries like China, Japan, and even some smaller allies see U.S. debt as a relatively safe haven compared to their own economic volatility. They know that historically, the United States has always honored its obligations, and that stability is incredibly valuable in a global financial system. That trust is what keeps the debt machinery running, and it's why, even with eye-popping numbers on the balance sheet, that U.S. debt remains in demand internationally. Looking back, many of the policies introduced during the Trump administration had a direct influence on the trajectory of U.S. debt. Tax cuts aimed at stimulating growth were paired with significant increases in federal spending. While supporters argued this would invigorate the economy, the immediate effect was a ballooning deficit. Programs intended to boost infrastructure, defense, and other initiatives added layers of spending without corresponding revenue increases. Essentially, the U.S. government was borrowing more than ever to fund both existing commitments and new ambitions. This wasn't just a short-term spike. It created structural obligations that continue to weigh on the budget today. Understanding this context is crucial because when we look at today's debt discussions, the fingerprints of past policies are clear. Decisions made years ago are shaping the financial landscape we navigate now. The real concern arises when we consider what could happen if the debt reaches a breaking point. Markets are highly sensitive to any signal that the U.S. might struggle to service its obligations. Interest rates could spike, borrowing costs for both government and consumers could rise, and inflation could accelerate. Investors might start demanding higher yields to offset risk, which in turn increases the government's cost of borrowing. It's a feedback loop that could escalate rapidly if confidence falters. For everyday Americans, this could mean higher mortgage rates, more expensive credit, and an economy less resilient to shocks. For international markets, instability in U.S. debt could reverberate globally, affecting currencies, trade, and investment flows. It's a scenario that financial experts have warned about, and yet it remains an undercurrent in daily economic reporting, overshadowed by headlines but looming in every treasury auction. Given these pressures, both investors and policymakers have a choice. Individuals need to consider diversifying portfolios to hedge against potential debt-driven volatility. Government leaders, on the other hand, face the challenge of balancing immediate economic stimulus with long-term fiscal responsibility. Solutions could include restructuring spending, rethinking tax priorities, and implementing measures to gradually reduce deficits. The key is proactive management. Ignoring rising debt is no longer an option, and strategic responses can help mitigate risks before they spiral out of control. At the end of the day, understanding the interplay between policy decisions, foreign investment, and market confidence isn't just important for economists. It's essential for anyone with a stake in the stability of the U.S. economy. The U.S. debt has been climbing at an unprecedented pace. And what's remarkable is that despite this massive increase, foreign countries continue to buy treasury bonds. On the surface, it seems counterintuitive. Why would any nation lend money to a country that is already in deep debt? The answer lies in the unique position of the United States in the global economy. The dollar is the world's primary reserve currency, which gives the country unparalleled financial leverage. Investors, governments, and central banks around the world trust that the U.S. will honor its obligations, making treasury bonds one of the safest investments available. This trust is crucial because without it, borrowing costs for the U.S. would skyrocket, and the government could face severe challenges in funding day-to-day operations. Foreign investors are not just buying debt, they are buying stability and confidence in an economy that, despite political or fiscal turbulence, investment has historically remained resilient. Countries like Japan and China hold massive amounts of U.S. debt because it serves as a hedge against global uncertainty. Even if these nations have competing interests with the U.S. investment, they understand that the treasury market provides liquidity, security, and a relatively predictable return on investment. Beyond the big players, and other nations and private institutions also participate in purchasing debt because of the depth and size of U.S. markets. The treasury market is unmatched in scale, allowing investors to move large amounts of capital without disrupting pricing, something that smaller or less liquid markets cannot offer. Another factor driving foreign demand is the relative stability of U.S. economic fundamentals. Despite rising debt levels, the country maintains strong institutions, robust financial systems, and a central bank capable of implementing policy tools to stabilize the economy. These factors make treasury bonds a global safe haven during periods of uncertainty, market volatility, or geopolitical tension. In addition, the U.S. economy is vast and diversified, which provides additional security for investors. Unlike smaller economies that might face a single point failure, the U.S. can absorb shocks across sectors and regions, giving bondholders reassurance that the country can meet its debt obligations. Moreover, purchasing U.S. debt often allows countries to manage their own currency stability. By holding dollar-denominated assets, nations can influence exchange rates and stabilize reserves and protect their domestic economies from sudden fluctuations. This creates a symbiotic relationship where the U.S. benefits from financing its debt at relatively low interest rates, and foreign countries gain a safe and flexible financial instrument. Understanding this dynamic is key to grasping why the demand for U.S. debt remains strong even as the overall numbers reach levels that would be alarming in other contexts. It's not just about money, it's about trust, market size, and the global perception of stability, factors that have allowed the U.S. to finance deficits that in any other country might trigger panic, market sell-offs, or economic instability. During the Trump administration, a series of policies and decisions significantly influenced the trajectory of U.S. debt, creating effects that continue to shape the economy today. One of the most notable actions was the sweeping tax reform, commonly referred to as the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. This legislation lowered corporate tax rates dramatically and reduced income taxes for many individuals, with the goal of stimulating economic growth and encouraging investment. While the tax cuts did provide short-term boosts to certain sectors of the economy, they also led to a substantial decrease in federal revenue. With less money flowing into the Treasury, the government had to rely more heavily on borrowing to fund existing obligations and ongoing programs. At the same time, spending initiatives expanded in areas such as defense, infrastructure proposals, and domestic programs, further widening the deficit. The combination of reduced revenue and increased spending created a structural imbalance in the federal budget. Beyond taxes and spending, trade policies implemented during this period also had indirect effects on the debt. Tariffs on imported goods were intended to protect domestic industries and encourage reshoring of manufacturing, but they also increased costs for businesses and consumers, potentially slowing economic growth in certain sectors. Investment. Slower growth can exacerbate debt issues because it reduces the government's ability to generate additional revenue without raising taxes or cutting spending. Social programs and entitlement obligations, which were already significant investment, continued to place pressure on the federal budget, and the administration did not implement major reforms to address long-term sustainability. Another factor was the approach to regulatory policies, which often aimed at reducing constraints on businesses. While deregulation can encourage investment and expansion, it can also lead to unintended consequences. Investment including budgetary implications for agencies that are responsible for oversight and enforcement. Importantly, the debt situation did not emerge overnight. It was the accumulation of multiple policy decisions interacting with each other. By lowering taxes, increasing spending, and reshaping economic policies without proportional offsets, the administration set a course that made the debt climb more rapidly than in previous years. Even though economic growth did occur in some areas, the revenue gains were insufficient to cover the expanding deficits. Analysts and policymakers continue to reference this period when discussing the current debt landscape because it highlights how fiscal choices directly impact long-term financial stability. Understanding the combination of tax cuts, spending programs, and regulatory changes helps explain why the U.S. now faces such elevated debt levels and why foreign investors, while still willing to purchase Treasury securities, are closely monitoring these dynamics. The lessons from this era are clear. Without careful balancing of revenue and expenditure, even a strong economy can experience mounting debt pressures that affect both domestic and global confidence in the financial system. The U.S. debt reaching a breaking point is not just a theoretical concern. It carries tangible risks that could ripple through the economy and affect global markets. When debt grows faster than the economy's ability to generate revenue, the government becomes increasingly reliant on borrowing to meet its obligations. This creates a scenario where interest payments alone consume a growing portion of the federal budget, leaving less room for investments in infrastructure, social programs, and emergency responses. If investors begin to perceive that debt levels are unsustainable, they may demand higher yields to compensate for increased risk. Higher yields mean higher borrowing costs for the government, which can further exacerbate fiscal pressure. For consumers, this translates into higher interest rates across mortgages, car loans, and credit cards, making everyday expenses more expensive and slowing overall economic growth. Markets are especially sensitive to signals of a debt crisis. Even small hints of instability can trigger sell-offs in equities, volatility in bond markets, and fluctuations in the value of the dollar. This is because confidence is central to the functioning of financial systems. When confidence erodes, investors seek safer assets, often leading to a cascade of market reactions that can amplify the initial shock. Inflation is another potential consequence of unchecked debt. If the government chooses to finance deficits by increasing the money supply rather than borrowing at sustainable rates, the purchasing power of the dollar can decline. Inflation erodes savings, increases the cost of living, and creates uncertainty for both households and businesses. Beyond domestic implications, a U.S. debt crisis would reverberate internationally. Global markets rely heavily on Treasury securities as a safe and liquid investment. If the perceived risk of default rises, international investors may reduce their holdings, forcing the U.S. to offer even higher yields to attract buyers. This scenario could weaken the dollar, disrupt trade balances, and create instability in emerging markets that depend on dollar-denominated transactions. Furthermore, geopolitical consequences may arise. Countries that hold significant U.S. debt, like China and Japan, could use this leverage in negotiations, intentionally or unintentionally influencing global economic and political dynamics. For policymakers, the challenge is managing these risks proactively. Strategies include implementing fiscal reforms, controlling spending growth, and gradually reducing deficits to restore confidence. Investors, on the other hand, need to consider diversifying portfolios, hedging against potential interest rate hikes, and monitoring the health of the Treasury market closely. The reality is that the debt issue is a slow, moving, but highly impactful problem. It does not unfold overnight, but its consequences can be sudden and severe if left unaddressed. Understanding the mechanisms through which debt can trigger broader economic instability is essential for both individuals and institutions. It emphasizes that debt is not just a number on a balance sheet. It is a measure of fiscal responsibility, economic resilience, and global confidence, factors that underpin the entire financial system and influence the future of economic stability faced with rising debt and the possibility of a fiscal crisis. Both investors and policymakers must adopt strategies that balance risk management with proactive planning. For individual investors, the first step is understanding how government debt impacts financial markets and personal portfolios. And Treasury bonds, while generally considered safe, are not immune to changes in interest rates or inflation expectations. As debt levels rise, the likelihood of interest rate hikes increases, which can reduce the market value of existing bonds. To protect against this, investors often diversify across different asset classes, including equities, real estate, and alternative investments. Diversification helps spread risk and ensures that a single economic event, such as a spike in borrowing costs, does not disproportionately affect overall wealth. Beyond diversification, some investors turn to inflation-protected securities or commodities like gold as hedges against potential devaluation of the dollar. These strategies are designed not to speculate recklessly, but to preserve purchasing power in an environment where debt-driven volatility could disrupt traditional investment returns. For institutions and larger investors, careful analysis of the Treasury market is crucial. Even small shifts in yields or foreign demand for debt can signal broader trends that may require rebalancing of portfolios or adjustments in asset allocation. Monitoring the fiscal policies of the federal government, understanding macroeconomic indicators, and assessing geopolitical dynamics all play a role in making informed decisions. On the policy side, leaders face the challenge of maintaining economic growth while gradually reducing deficits. Fiscal reforms, such as reevaluating spending priorities, streamlining entitlement programs, and implementing targeted tax policies, can help stabilize debt over the long term. It's not about sudden austerity measures that could harm growth, but rather a calculated approach that ensures the government can meet obligations without undermining confidence. Policymakers also need to communicate transparently with markets. Confidence is often as important as actual fiscal adjustments. When investors believe that the government has a credible plan to manage debt, borrowing costs remain manageable. Investment and the risk of a crisis diminishes. Additionally, the Federal Reserve plays a critical role. Its decisions regarding interest rates, quantitative easing, and liquidity provision can influence the cost of debt and the overall stability of financial markets. Coordination between fiscal and monetary policy is essential to avoid creating unintended consequences that could exacerbate debt pressures. Ultimately, the key lesson is that rising debt does not have to lead to catastrophe if managed wisely. Investors can protect their wealth, institutions can maintain stability, and policymakers can implement reforms that secure long-term confidence. Ignoring the problem, delaying action, or relying on temporary fixes increases the likelihood of a sudden and severe economic adjustment. Strategic planning, proactive risk management, investment, and informed decision-making create a framework that mitigates the dangers of high debt while preserving opportunities for growth. By taking measured steps now, it is possible to navigate the complex landscape of U.S. debt responsibly and maintain stability for both domestic and global stakeholders.